Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on your MacBook, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So for example, if you have moved to another country and you want to change the date and time on your MacBook, you can do that if you go to the system preferences, which is at the bottom of the screen, then click on the date and time icon. And then at the top of this window you can see two sections. The first one is date and time. So in order to make changes you have to click the lock like this. After that you can use the password or your fingerprint, and now I can make changes. So here I can select to set the date and time automatically, or if I want to set the date and time myself, then I can turn this setting off, and here I can select the date and the time, but I guess that it's alright like this to let the MacBook do its job. And after that, to set the date and time format, use language and region preferences. So here you can add some or change informations and regarding the language and region. But let's go back, and after that the time zone, to select a time zone, click the map near your location and choose a city from the closest city menu. You can also have the time zone change automatically if possible based on your current location. So here you can set time zone automatically using current location, or you can set this up yourself. Here you can select the closest city and then the time zone will be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.